Welcome to Bloggy Master channel, where we bring you the most enchanting destinations from around the world. Today, we are taking you to Kalajay Island, a mystical and spiritual heaven located in the heart of Chilika Lake, Odisha. Known for its captivating history, stunning natural beauty, and the revered Kalajay temple, this island is a perfect blend of culture and serenity. Stay tuned as we unravel everything you need to know about this magical destination. How to reach Kalajay Island? Reaching Kalajay Island is super easy. Here is how you can get there. By road, if you are coming from Berhampur, 70 km, Bhubaneswar, 103 km, or Puri, 115 km, head to one of the main ferry points like Barkul, Balugon, or Satpada. By train, the nearest railway station is Balugon, just 11 km from Barkul. By air, fly to Biju Patnaik International Airport in Bhubaneswar and take a taxi to any of these ferry points. Once you reach the ferry point, hop on a boat to Kalajay Island, and your adventure begins. Now, I'm here at Barkul, and it's one of the best ferry points for tourists. Right here, you'll find a vehicle parking area where you can safely park your car or bike. Boat services to Kalajay Island. Boats are the only way to reach Kalajay Island, and they are an adventure in themselves. Here is what you need to know. From Barkul or Balugon, a normal machine boat costs 100 rupees per person, and a ferry run by OTDC costs to 50 rupees per person, with a travel time of 30 to 40 minutes. From Satpada, this route is longer, about an hour, but offers the chance to spot the Irrawaddy dolphins. Boat rides here cost around 400 to 500 per person. Pro tip: prices can vary depending on the season, so check with local operators. Timings of Kalajay Temple. The Kalajay Temple, the centerpiece of this island, is open daily from 6 am to 6 pm for a peaceful prayer experience. I recommend visiting early in the morning, especially if you are seeking spiritual solace or want to avoid crowds during the festive season. History and mythology. Kalajay Island is steeped in fascinating mythology. Legend has it that a young girl named Jai, traveling with her father, was on her way to her husband's village when tragedy struck. A sudden storm overturned their boat in Chilika Lake, leading to Jai's untimely death. Locals believe her spirit merged with goddess Kali, and she became known as Goddess Kalajay, the protector of the lake. Over time, the Kalajay temple was built in her honor, and her story continues to inspire reverence and devotion. Best time to visit Kalajay Island. The best time to visit Kalajay Island is November to February. The weather is cool and pleasant, and Chilika Lake becomes a sanctuary for migratory birds like flamingos and pelicans. If you are looking to experience vibrant local culture, plan your visit in January during Makar Sankranti, when the temple celebrates its annual festival. Avoid the monsoon months, July to September, as boat services may be disrupted due to heavy rains. What to do on Kalijay Island? Once you are on Kalijay Island, here is what you must do. Visit the Kalijay temple, offer prayers to the goddess and soak in the serene atmosphere. Bird watching. From November to February, you'll spot exotic migratory birds. It's a paradise for nature lovers. Dolphin spotting. The endangered Irrawaddy dolphins often make an appearance if you are lucky. Capture the scenic beauty. Bring your camera to capture the breathtaking views, especially during sunrise and sunset. What not to do on Kalijay Island? While enjoying your trip, here are a few things to keep in mind. Do not litter. Kalijay Island and Chilika Lake are eco-sensitive zones. Dispose of waste responsibly to protect the environment. Respect temple customs. Wear modest clothing and follow local traditions while visiting the temple. Avoid disturbing wildlife. Admire birds and dolphins from a distance without feeding or touching them. Skip monsoon visits. The lake can be unpredictable during heavy rains, so plan your trip during the dry season. Kalijay Island is more than just a destination, it's a journey into Odisha's rich culture, mythology, and natural wonders. Whether you're a pilgrim seeking blessings, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone looking for peace and beauty, Kalijay Island has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you have visited this incredible island. Until next time, happy traveling. For details about Kalijay Island, timings and boat or ferry costs, check the video description or visit www.blogdimaster.com.